My name is Lynn, and I am going to do some crazy tricks for you guys on YouTube. Here we go. This is funny. I'm gonna laugh. We're not supposed to laugh.
Woo!
You guys hit her. Emily, move the jumps out. All right. Move the big jumps forward. Careful.
Do that again. I don't think I got it.
Just like that much. Okay, good. We're gonna do like big one. Woo! Farther. That's too far. No, that's fine. No. Right there. Oh no, I'm closing my eyes. This is gonna be an epic fail. What's that?
Oh, hey, Mr. Dad. Look how far that is.
Oh my God. Farther. Okay. Here it comes.
Hey, Care.
Should I stop it?
Mom needs you to go. You have to run to the store with her.
Oh, Lynn, you okay?
Ow. Yeah, I think we'll end it there. Oh, crud. Okay.
Okay.
See you later. Bye.